that I'm gonna pour directly into baking paper. I choose to use isomalt and glucose for this recipe. Of course, you can use sugar at home. It's just that the isomalt is really stronger, and for the recipe that we want, stronger is better. I'm just gonna cover it like this, and once it's still hot, we're just gonna use our rolling pin that is rectangle shape. Careful because it's super hot. This way and this way. Once you have your rectangle of sugar and it's still super hot, be careful. You're gonna take a large vase like that, any round shape actually, and you're gonna round your paper around it to have a tube made of sugar. Careful again, it's super hot. So I'm going to remove really carefully my little vase in the center here. Perfect. And we can unmold also really carefully our sugar tube, just like that. I'm just gonna make sure that it's super flat in the bottom to be able to be standing like that. So in a hot pan, we're just gonna melt it a little bit right here. Perfect. And put it directly into our little glass here. Perfect. And we're gonna keep going with the lemon squeezer. Here I have my lemon squeezer, and I'm gonna put my shortbread dough inside and put it like this everywhere on the side to have the really cool shape of the lemon squeezer. Really cool technique. We're gonna unplug it just like this and put it on the tray like that. Perfect. And I'm gonna use a bowl with the rest of my shortbread dough to create a round shape all around, just like that. We're gonna have to create the spaceship with our dough. Perfect. I'm gonna remove everything. I'm gonna remove the middle part and put everything on my tray. Keep the middle part as well, put it on the bowl, and cook everything together. We're gonna put everything in the oven for about 15 minutes. Here we go. So now everything is ready. I'm gonna use a toothpick to just create a little hole inside, and I'm gonna pat a string to it like that all the way to. Perfect. And I'm gonna attach my little towel with the string. Of course, you can attach everything, but the cow is super cool. Perfect. I'm gonna fill my dough with a lemon curd, and just like that, you have a lemon pie, really tasty. I'm gonna put the circle pie here and the top pie. It's already filled and freeze to be able to put it like that. And once you have your little spaceship, you're gonna attach the cockpit to it and put the entire thing to the sugar tube. That's perfect. Look at this. Amazing. And then we're gonna move on to chocolate. I'm gonna use a chocolate mold here, and we're gonna pour water on it just like that. And we're gonna work with food coloring. So I have some green one here. I have some red and some blue. Of course, you can work with any color you like. We're gonna go back to the thing, and we're gonna pour the food coloring just like that to create a pattern in the bottom of the chocolate mold. As you can see, I have gloves, much needed for this recipe if you don't want to wash your hand forever. And perfect. Once you have your chocolate in your mold, we're just gonna make sure that the chocolate is everywhere, and we're gonna remove the chocolate really carefully. Perfect. So you have the excess chocolate on your plaque. You're just gonna remove the excess like this to make sure that you can unmold it super easily. Back to the freezer. Your chocolate set really fast, but you can help faster with the freezer. I have my chocolate here well set it, so we're just gonna unmold it. That's the magic thing about this mold, is that they can unmold super easily. Look at this pattern with the food coloring and the water. It's amazing, really shiny. We love that. Look at this. Perfect. I'm gonna just put some little toys inside my balls. You can also put anything you want inside. I'm gonna take the other one like that. We're gonna hit it really slowly into a hot pan, just like that. Stick it to a shortbread that I made just before and stick it to the other half. Perfect. I have my amazing little planet here with my little toy inside. I have the 3 planets and we're gonna keep going. We have the little planets here and we're gonna put them with our little cow abduction here. Super cool. Perfect. And my last planet here. I'm so happy. Look at this amazing little decor. Perfect.